Hey guys, so quick and honest review on one of my favorite foaming cleansers. This is the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser for normal to oily skin. And I love CeraVe products, especially their cleansers. And this in particular is the 1 liter version, which I really like. And overall, this cleanser is perfect. It's fragrance free, which I really like, and it's just this foaming cleanser, and I use this morning and night, and it's very gentle on my skin. I would say I have combination skin. When it's winter, I do have a drier skin, and in the summer I do tend to get a little bit more of an oilier skin, especially in my T-zone. So I feel like this is the perfect balance of a facial cleanser because it's not super like drying, but it's not super like oily moisturizing-ish. That's too much for my skin. So of course this has the famous ceramides that CeraVe has in their products, and I overall, you can feel it after you wash your face. You have like this feel, your skin just feels super like moisturized but not overly moisturized. It just feels great, and I just love that it cleanses correctly your skin without like disrupting the like protective layer of your skin. It's not going to overly strip your skin, which happens with a lot of different other facial cleansers. And it has the 3 essential ceramides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, which those 3 ingredients are great ingredients for skincare, and it's just overall perfect. This is actually my favorite formula of the CeraVe cleansers, which I've tried all of them, and this is perfect. I'm gonna show you how the product looks. So it just comes out like this. I'll show you. And this is just a clear, like a cleanser, clear, runny. And when you combine it with water, it foams up a bit. So I'm gonna wash my face. So this is my skin after I cleanse my face, and it just looks like, I'm not gonna say dewy, but it looks healthy. Like, I have no lotion whatsoever. I find this cleanser works great for my skin texture and for my skin conditions. And I've recommended this product to like friends and family, and they also really like it, and they all have different kinds of skin types. Also, my brother really likes this. My father, my mother, we all love this because I introduced it to him, and we just all really like it. So if you're looking for a great cleanser that just hits all the marks, this is a great one. I really like it. I'm sure you will like it as well. And it's just great. It does everything you need a cleanser to do. So definitely check it out.